Hello everyone, this is Jack from SAGA Machinery. Today let us see SAGA T1000 texture embossing machine. We can use this machine with different kinds of molding rollers to make different kind of molding on different materials like solidwood, MDF, and even for some other materials like PVC. The molding rollers with various textures or greens on the surface, it can give very vivid textures on the material surface. And we got various different textures available. And let us see the function of the machine, how to use it. This is the thickness setting interface. It shows what is the thickness of material. And here is the speed converting system. We can set the different feeding speed here. And this interface shows the temperature for heating, and now you can see it's 16 degrees. And we can set it, for example, to 180. Temperatures got an effect of soften the surface of materials and make it easy to make textures on the surface. And these two buttons are for the starting and stop of embossing rollers. And those two buttons are the manually setting for the thickness, decrease and increase the thickness. And it is very easy to control this machine. After this simple setting finish, we can start the machine. Okay, let us start the machine and see the working of this machine. And this material we are using is MDF materials. And you can see it gives us a very vivid texture. This material is also MDF. The customer is making crocodile greens. You can see the embossing effect is very clear. And now we are using solidwood panel rubber wood. And we are making an imitation of awkward greens. And this material we are PVC materials. You can see the texture is also very clear, and these materials we can use it directly without painting. And thanks for watching. See more at SAGA Machinery.